Well, hello everybody and welcome back. If you want to make a quick YouTube intro for your videos, upload it into your channel, and you don't have time to think about how you can animate the text for your intro, this video is for you. Open a platform called Panzoid and then click on this one, Clipmaker 2 Creations, which is filled with intro presets, fancy intro presets for your YouTube intros, just like these. Ooh, fancy. But let's look for a preset called Pichu Intro. So here we have, this text that will be zoomed in, and then there will be some tiles that contain the same text, just like this. It's fancy. Click on Open in Clipmaker 2, and then what you're gonna do is to click on the checkmark icon and then set the resolution to 1080p and then the frame rate to 60 FPS. What we're going to do now for the length is that we're going to make two different videos. A video will have a text that says, for example, the name of your channel, for example, Tong Tips, and then another video will have the text that says subscribe. So set the duration to 5 seconds, or just lengthen the duration. Pick a part of the video that's good for you. Then you cut it, especially the part that has the tiles. And then click on the cube icon and then change the text to Tong Tips, for example. Just like this. You can even, do some tweaks with the size. For example, you want to decrease it to 10. Just like this. And then you can actually turn on some music, but I suggest not to turn on the music actually, because it's prone to copyright infringement. So when you're done with this, with a video that is 5 seconds long, we're going to download it. So the format would be MKV, and then click on Start Video Render if you're ready to render, and then do the same for another video that says subscribe. You will need to change the text to subscribe. Once you're done, click on download your video. And when compiled, it would look like this. Looking aesthetic. Now the intro is shaken alongside the text, and then it will be zoomed out as part of this tile effect with tiles that contain the same text, and then yeah, it looks really cool for your YouTube intros. That's how you can make a quick YouTube intro using Panzoid. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but for me it's good day. Ciao.